Welcome back to my channel. Did you know that a single hormone called DHT is responsible for almost all pattern baldness in both men and women? And yet, most people have no idea that the secret to stopping hair loss naturally might already be in their kitchen. In this video, I'll show you 5 natural DHT blocker foods that can reduce hair fall, boost hair regrowth, and help keep your hair thick and healthy, all without any side effects. Stay with me till the end because I'll also reveal a bonus natural food that many people overlook, which can enhance hair growth even further. What is DHT? The real reason behind hair loss. Before we get to the foods, let's understand what DHT does to your hair. DHT, or dihydrotestosterone, is formed when your body converts testosterone using an enzyme called 5-alpha reductase. When DHT levels rise too high, it attaches to your hair follicles and starts a process called miniaturization. Hair follicles shrink and produce thinner, weaker strands. The growth phase, anagen phase, shortens, so new hair grows slower. Eventually, the follicle becomes dormant, meaning no new hair can grow from it. This is the main reason behind androgenic alopecia, also called pattern baldness. Did you know, even follicles that look alive may be too weak to grow new hair unless supported properly? 5 natural DHT blocker foods. 1. Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are packed with zinc and phytosterols, which naturally block the enzyme that turns testosterone into DHT. Research has shown pumpkin seed oil can increase hair count and thickness in men with hair loss. Did you know, pumpkin seeds also provide magnesium and antioxidants, which strengthen the scalp and hair follicles? 2. Flax seeds. Flax seeds contain lignans, which act as natural anti-androgens to help reduce DHT effects. Plus, they are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which nourish the scalp and follicles for healthier hair growth. 3. Green tea. Green tea isn't just for boosting metabolism. Its active compound EGCG has been scientifically shown to prevent testosterone from converting into DHT. Regular consumption can reduce hair shedding and improve scalp blood circulation. Did you know, drinking 2 to 3 cups of green tea a day may help regulate DHT levels naturally? 4. Turmeric. Turmeric contains curcumin, which naturally inhibits the production of DHT. It's also a powerful anti-inflammatory that keeps your scalp healthy. Adding turmeric to your diet or smoothies can support strong hair growth from within. 5. Sesame seeds. Sesame seeds are rich in nutrients that help lower DHT formation. They are also high in antioxidants, which protect the scalp from oxidative stress and follicle damage. Here's something interesting. These tiny seeds can be roasted and added to meals daily to strengthen hair from root to tip. Bonus food, extra tip. Here's a bonus for you. Black seeds, also known as kalonji. Did you know? Kalonji has been used in traditional remedies for centuries and modern research shows it can reduce hair shedding, balance hormones, and indirectly block DHT. Adding a small amount daily can support hair regrowth naturally and effectively. Lifestyle tips. Supporting DHT blocker foods. Foods are powerful, but lifestyle factors also play a key role in controlling DHT. Manage stress. High stress increases DHT production. Sleep well. Less than 6 hours of sleep can elevate DHT naturally. Scalp massage. Improves blood flow and follicle health. Exercise regularly. Helps balance hormones and reduce DHT levels. Did you know, even with the perfect diet, ignoring sleep or stress can reduce the effectiveness of DHT blocking foods? To summarize, these natural DHT blocking foods, pumpkin seeds, flax seeds, green tea, turmeric, sesame seeds, and black seeds, combined with a healthy lifestyle, can slow down hair loss, strengthen follicles, and support thicker, healthier hair. Remember, consistency is key. Incorporate these foods daily, care for your scalp, manage stress, and make sure you get enough sleep. Your hair follicles will thank you. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more natural hair growth tips. And let us know in the comments which food you'll try first. Thank you for watching.